Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 16. Get ready for the dictation. Start. They hope to reach Orne on the 4th of May. The red color on the door and the yellow on the window had a poor effect. He ought to be fair and pay the difference. To read and enough. If they get the money, it should make much difference to the firm. They had a heavy mail on Monday. Tom saw the head of the firm leave at 4 or so. Stop. Thank you.